Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I've got something interesting to show you. About 12 months ago, probably slightly less than 12 months ago, I decided to relocate or dig up a huge shrub. And it was a big shrub, it was about 10 foot tall. I really just wanted it out of the spot that it was in. I didn't really care whether I saved the shrub or not, but I did decide to try and give it a second chance at life in a position which I favoured it in. So I planted it in the garden and I gave it lots and lots of water. And this is just proof, if proof were needed, that you can move very large shrubs and they will survive. I'm going to show you the shrub now. And here it is at the back of this border behind this Photinia. And you can see there, this gives you an indication of just how big it was. As I've already said, it was about 10 foot tall. And I planted it in the ground here, not hoping for anything really. And I watered it very, very well last summer until it got its roots down. But look, you can see lots of new growth everywhere, all over this shrub. So if you've got a big shrub and you want to move it, why not give it a go? What have you got to lose? And I will link the original video in the description box below this one. See you soon for some more shrub moving adventures. Bye for now.